Occiput posterior position. The occiput posterior position is a separate fetal presentation where the fetal occiput is directed towards the maternal sacrum, back of the mother. Most common malposition during the labor, 15 to 30% of the term deliveries. Types of OP position. Persistent OP remains OP throughout the labor and the delivery. Occiput rotates to the anterior position in the labor in most cases. Factors. First time pregnancy, nulliparity, epidermal. For the clinical features and maternal symptoms, severe back pain during the labor, prolonged labor, ineffective contractions on the low cervical elevation. Vaginal examination finding anterior fontanelle more palpable than usual. Territory fracture fell closer to the maternal sacrum. Deep transverse arrest, possible rotation to OA fields. Fetal effects increased risk of the birth trauma. Prolonged labor, fetal distress, abnormal heart rate patterns. Higher risk of the instrumentation or the cesarean delivery. Diagnosis: Leopard's maneuver, hard fetal pack, difficult to the palpate anteriorly. Vaginal examination, occiput directed towards the sacrum. Ultrasound confirms the OP position. First stage of the labor, maternal position changes, hands on the knees, lateral position to encourage the fetal rotation. Oxytocin augmentation if contractions are weak. Second stage of labor, annual rotation attempted to rotate the occiput to the anterior position. Instrumental delivery, forceps of the vacuum if needed. Caesarean section if rotation of the descent fails. Complications: prolonged labor, maternal exhaustion, increased risk of the perineal trauma, higher episiotomy rates, higher rates of the instrumental or the caesarean delivery, fetal distress due to the prolonged labor and the head compression. OP position, fetal occiput facing the maternal serum, back of mother. Most common malposition, 15 to 30% of the term deliveries. Associated with the prolonged labor and the severe back pain. Diagnosis: vaginal exam, anterior fontanelle more palpable, confirmed by the ultrasound. Management: maternal position changes, oxytocin and the manual rotation. Instrumental delivery, forceps or vacuum or the C-section if needed. Increased risk of the perineal trauma, fetal distress in the prolonged labor.